The 300 megawatt Lakhwad Vyasi hydroelectricity project in Uttarakhand's Dehradun district will be the highest dam on Yamuna as and when it gets completed. But locals horrified by the torrential rains last week are now protesting against the project. The recent floods triggered by heavy rains claimed lives of at least 50 people. They are worried the new dam would submerge villages and their lands and trigger more natural disasters in the sensitive Himalayan region.
जल जीवन जंगल किसानों का और तबाही का बड़ी बड़ी आपदाओं का इस चीज़ से जो है उत्तराखंड के लोग जो है बड़ी बड़ी परियोजनाओं का विरोध कर रही है। अभी हाल ही में आपने देखा है कि जोशीमठ में तपोवन बांध में इतनी बड़ी तबाही हुई है कि जिसमें कई करोड़ों की संपत्तियों का और जनमानस की हानि हुई है। तो ऐसी आपदा को देखते हुए उत्तराखंड में हम लोग ये चाह रहे हैं कि सरकार बड़ी बड़ी परियोजनाओं को स्वीकृति ना दें, छोटे छोटे बांध बनाएं जिससे कि हमारे जल जंगल भी बचे रहें, बड़ी बड़ी आपदाएं भी बची रहें और छोटे मोटे परियोजना से जो है छोटे मोटे रोजगार भी चलते रहेंगे और किसान लोग बर्बाद भी नहीं होंगे।
Earlier, an avalanche near Tapovan Vishnugarh hydropower plant claimed lives of more than 200 people after a glacier broke off, causing massive flooding. The power plant is located on Dhauliganga River in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Environmentalists are worried that big construction projects could trigger more landslides and therefore want smaller projects to be encouraged.
अब एक नई सोच विकेंद्रित जल ऊर्जा पर बात होनी चाहिए। गाढ़ गदेरों को बेहतर करते हुए उन्हीं को टैप करो, वो विकेंद्रित होगा, उतने ही स्थानीय रोजगार भी होंगे। एक घटना घटेगी भी अगर मान लिया तो एक गाढ़ गदेरे पे अगर नुकसान होगा सब पे नहीं होगा। तो अब जब परिस्थितियां बदल रही हों तो मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि बड़े बांधों के प्रति कोई भी जगह बची है।
A paper published by the South Asian Network on Dams, Rivers and People in 2019 showed that the proposed site of the multi-purpose Lakhwad Dam project was affected by multiple landslides. The project was still cleared in 2020 by India's National Board for Wildlife. Yamuna River has at least 12 operating hydropower projects, 5 are under construction and 31 more are proposed. While hydroelectricity is one of the cleanest and cost-effective forms of renewable energy, raising underground water levels near reservoirs have a huge impact on local flora and fauna. The proposed site is a biodiversity hotspot and experts have said that it could risk one of the few habitats left for the golden mahshir fish. The species, which was once common in the Himalayas, has now virtually vanished. One of the arguments used in the favor of the Lakhwad Vyasi Dam is that it will improve water supply to Delhi. Experts, however, warned that it could push Delhi to water scarcity and risk major flooding in case of a disaster. Moreover, the Delhi Jal Board's documents show that the national capital gets nearly 200 litres of water per person per day, while their requirement is 100 litres per person per day. On its part, the Jal Board is planning to make the city self-sufficient by progressively reducing its water needs from Yamuna. It is a well-established fact that changing weather and rainfall patterns induced by climate change will only increase the likelihood of floods and avalanches. Taking into account the possibilities of more natural disasters and landslides in and around the proposed hydroelectricity site, the fears of locals aren't unfounded. The question is, can we really afford to wait and watch? A Federal Report.